Chicken, don't you think the other day I was out with a friend and he said, "You have a double chin?" Well, I'm going to show you the best exercises for stretching, mobilization, and massage therapy to remove the double chin. Goodbye, double chin. So let's start with the first exercise to remove the double chin. The name of the exercise is known as Kiss to the Sky, which allows for easy visualization. When you begin performing it, you will experience its incredible sensation. Stretch the shoulders a bit, let the arms hang down to relieve tension, maintaining the meaning, and start stretching the head a little. First here. Make sure you are comfortable and stable, take care of your back, and ensure adequate support. And from there, press your lips together, locking them for 5 seconds. Take a moment to unwind, adjust your neck to avoid strain, and ready yourself once more, alright? Let's give it another go and soar towards the heavens with a kiss. If you notice, when we do this, see how it pulls, right? Check out its pulling ability. The advantages we will gain are phenomenal. Greater skin elasticity. In addition, it helps in strengthening and firming the muscles in the neck area. Okay? So, very good. The first exercise we are going to do of Kiss to the Sky. How many times are we going to do it? 15 repetitions. We are going to try to do it once every single day. At the beginning, it will be a bit hard, but repeat, and it will get easier over time. We will start doing it every other day. How much time will it take? 4 or 5 weeks minimum. Second exercise we are going to do, also stretching the neck, called the potato sack. Isn't the volume striking? The emotion it evokes is so palpable. So what are we going to do? We will stretch, but with the tongue. First, let's position the body. Take a moment to relax and open up your shoulders like you did before. Stretch the neck, and once here, the tongue goes to the palate. Behind the teeth, a little bit higher up. Obviously, I cannot display it, but it's right here, alright? We position it close. But being here. We hold for 5 seconds. Relax. Slightly part your lips and bring them down a bit. Shall we repeat the action one more time? Remember, the tongue must be pressed and pointing. And notice how this part of the neck stretches. The part we will focus on here is the firmness. It will require a lot of effort and dedication in order to achieve toning. The neck muscles are greatly affected, including the more superficial muscles as well. How much longer will we continue doing this? Well, you see, we are going to do it. 15 repetitions. Remember, you need to hold your tongue for 5 seconds. Then you take a break and repeat the process 15 times faithfully, ensuring you do it every day. Then every other day, and 4 or 5 weeks at least. A double chin, also called submental fat, is fat under the jaw and neck area that accumulates. It usually happens due to excess weight gain. It can be caused by a range of different factors, such as excessive accumulation of fat, diminished elasticity of the skin, the natural process of aging, and taking on poor posture. The impact of it is not only physical, but also emotional, possibly leading to diminished self-confidence in individuals. It can be prevented and treated through these exercises, good posture habits, a healthy diet, and specific skincare routines. With the exercises we are currently doing, our aim is to improve. Toning and activating the platysma muscle can be achieved by positioning my neck here, as if it were in that particular spot, allowing you to visibly observe the results. All this area here. Down. This is one of the muscles we are working on. In our upcoming exercise, we will reverse our direction and move upwards. Apologies for the confusion, but we will eventually move downwards. To achieve chin retraction for double chin reduction, it's crucial to employ the right technique. The method we use focuses on allowing the double chin to drop slightly. Would you agree to follow this approach? We relax a little bit, let it drop, and when we are down here, to properly examine, we elevate the upper lids and direct our gaze slightly upwards. Here. Okay? Be careful not to strain the neck, but we are here, retracting. But however, looking slightly upward, we maintain the position for a duration of 5 seconds. Relax and return to position. And this exercise, okay? Here, we don't stay like this. We position ourselves well, downwards, okay? And now, look a little bit upwards, okay? To activate the muscles. You will repeat this approximately, well, not approximately, sorry, 15 times, okay? And we will do it twice a day. It is recommended to perform this exercise in the morning and at night, consistently every day. Eventually, transition to doing it every other day. What are the advantages gained from engaging in this physical activity? Well, it will increase blood flow, And by increasing blood flow, initially, what we are going to do is to help a little bit so that the fat at least starts to move, and we can try to make it gradually disappear, right? To mobilize it a little. We will also tone the muscles of the neck and define the jawline a bit more, making it a very beneficial exercise for the double chin. The next exercise that we are going to do is very simple. In this case, it is stretching the tongue but outside. You probably remember as kids being told to see if you could touch your nose. Well, this is what we need to do, okay? Stick out your tongue a little bit. I can't reach. Stretch it. And in this way, I will position myself a bit here so you can see me. My neck muscles are tight and I am working on loosening them up of the neck. We can do it for 5 seconds right here. And we will do it 15 times as well. You can do it in the morning and at night every day. What is the name of the upcoming exercise we will be doing? The chewer, but the chewer, as we were always told as kids, has to open the mouth, okay? So that the food doesn't fall out. Well then, let's close our little mouth, okay? And we are going to do the chewing exercise for about 1 minute. The exercise would be like this, okay? You see the exercise? We will repeat it for 1 minute as well, in the morning and also at night, every day. Chewing is an excellent way to improve blood circulation since it keeps us moving constantly. Consider how effective it is for mobilizing our bodies and enhancing our overall health. Blood circulation, perfect. We have toned, we have stretched, and now we are going to move the skin and also mobilize the fat. Okay? How are we going to do it? First, a little oil, okay? We are going to put a bit on the hand. Because we are going to do it, listen here, with our knuckles, okay? A knuckle massage treatment, okay? Here we place a little bit. Please exercise caution when massaging the Adam's apple. Position your fingers here and gently move them slightly upwards. Is that clear? There. In the middle first, then a bit outside. Be careful not to press outside, okay? Be careful not to press the Adam's apple like this. And how long are we going to do this? Well, about 2-3 minutes every day. There also. The massage is very pleasant, okay? With the knuckles, you can massage a bit. Always be cautious when lifting one another, ensuring the safety of all involved. So, this massage is perfect for moving fat around. With 2 spoons, I will teach you a massage to remove wrinkles from the face. Welcome to Fisiolution. I'm Ruben Santo, acupuncturist you can trust. And today we are going to do a massage with 2 spoons to reduce swelling, rejuvenate the face, and remove wrinkles. The first thing you'll need to do this massage, which also has many centuries, because look how much time has a spoon. To achieve effective results, it is important to have 2 spoons that have been refrigerated for approximately 15 minutes. Chilling the spoons provides a cooling effect, which is beneficial in toning the skin. It is also advisable to find a comfortable spot where the procedure can be carried out peacefully. This can be on a small table in a quiet area or in front of a mirror for better visualization. And finally, you also need some kind of oil or some kind of cream to help the spoons move. Remember these 3 facts when applying cream. Firstly, cleanse your face. Secondly, ensure your spoons are properly placed. Lastly, do not deviate from the 218 character limit. Additionally, it is crucial to remember that you must adhere to this regimen for 25 consecutive days in order to observe an improvement in skin firmness. It goes without saying that you should never compromise your well-being during this process. So let's start this great spoon massage. And how are we going to start? Let's start at the bottom. Notice, without squeezing too much, we're going to do 6 times as often as we do. Here we're going to do a little bit. There, smooth. 5, okay, and 6. After that, here, 1. Let's also include the spoons in our follow-up activities, shall we? 4, 5. Also, it's very relaxing. And 6. Okay, laughs. That would be the first one. Second, we're going to change the position of the spoon a little bit, and we're going to go around the chin to the ears. Notice 6 times every time. We start here,
Okay? Right there. In addition, the delightful chill provided by the spoons is always beneficial. We observe the slight movement while also noticing the spreading of the neck skin. It happens 3 times. And last. Perfect. Third little step we're going to do now, okay? You put one on this side. And with this one, okay, you follow this line. Across the lips and up a little bit, huh? Raising the cheekbone at the end. Right here. In fact, now I'm going to tell you 6 benefits that this massage has. Remember that it is a very ancient massage. And also very pleasant to do on the face, huh? Apart from everything it brings. Let's continue a little bit more. Notice all the convulsion of the lips. It is going to increase. So you're saying that it would also increase blood circulation in that area and give the sensation of slightly fuller lips, right? It would be on this side. And now we would do it, obviously, also on the other side, which would be here, okay? I'm not going to repeat it, but it would be this side, okay? Entering here. From the bottom, we go up. And here would be another 6 times. Benefit of this massage, which is also a technique of mechanical action, i.e. it is of mechanical action, that is to say, basically it's a simple technique that you can learn easily. The primary advantage is that it helps to tone your skin. Another benefit is that it helps to shape your facial structure. This entire process is instrumental in improving the texture of your skin and sculpting your face, all the way down to the chin. And the third benefit is it also enhances or tones this whole part of the cheekbones. Fourth benefit would be that it improves the chin groove, okay? It improves this whole chin line, okay? Fifth benefit, and some of you may be familiar with this from another video as well, is the nasolabial fold, which also works it. This whole part right here is very pronounced, right? And also, the last and 6th benefit, look at everything it does with 2 teaspoons. It also helps with the little wrinkles at the corner of the lips. All this part here that falls a little bit, that goes down, look, the smile, because it helps to keep us fresher and with a better... The 6 benefits are to keep us fresher, with a better smile, maximizing the preservation of meaning. Fourth part of the massage, we are going to place it in the corner of the lips. We start here in the middle, okay? Right there, almost touching. And stretch a little bit, huh? Like I'm smiling, right? But without causing the smile, huh? Just stretching. We're going to do 6 here, right? In this part. And we're going to do it up and down too, huh? We do 6. Remember, there are 6. There. I'm going to do 3 with you. And down 2. How hard do I squeeze, if you ask me? Well, I squeeze without hurting myself, huh? I feel the pressure on everything. And the sensation of stretching. Spoon massage on the face, an ancient beauty technique boasted by various cultures, has long been known for its favorable effects. Originating from traditional Chinese medicine, the practice involved the use of jade or quartz spoons to amplify blood circulation and enhance skin vitality. By harnessing natural methods, this time-honored procedure has gained worldwide popularity, admired for its ability to diminish swelling, rejuvenate the complexion, and induce a state of tranquil relaxation. Consequently, this treatment has encountered immense satisfaction among those who incorporate it into their home beauty regimens. Fifth part of the massage, we're going to work with the cheekbones and we're going to grab here a little bit. 6 times. There, all the way to the temples. Okay, under the bone and from there up. 5. And last. Okay, perfect. Let's go now to the under eye area, okay? Let's close the little eye, huh? We close the little eye and put the spoon. We put the other one too. Here. And we also stretch the skin a little bit towards the crow's feet as well. okay? Obviously this without squeezing, right? Very little squeezing here, okay? As a Chinese master of mine would tell me, do not squeeze. There. And last. And the last part of the massage, where is it going to be? On the forehead, effectively. What are we going to do? Watch this. We're going to go alternately one to the other. Here. Opening. And when we get there again, we go down. We're going to do the whole line, the whole line, the whole line, the whole line. Going through. The truth is that it is a super relaxing massage besides with the coolness of the spoons. The spoons are not so cold anymore, so you take others. You keep 4 and wonderful, right? And we go back again. I make 3, but remember that there are 6. And this would be experience the incredible spoon massage. If you enjoyed this remarkable spoon massage, we also offer an array of additional options. A massage for the nasolabial fold, which I know you're really concerned about, and also a massage for the facial index. You can find them here and here too. And as always, bell, give us the like, subscribe, and to the healing and beyond.